Today's lesson is over comparing and ordering the integers that we learned about yesterday. Alright, in this table here, you notice there are 3 golfers, and this shows the scores they received from the tournament. So, Bergiano scored a +6, Garcia scored -16, and Tiger Woods scored a -4. To figure out who wins, we have to know that in golf, the winner is the one with the lowest score. To figure out the winner, we could put these numbers in order and compare them. We'll get to that in just a moment. The first thing that I would like to do is to compare two numbers. Our first example is -4 and 2. If we take a look at a number line, I'm looking for which number is farthest to the left. If I look at a regular number line that we've been working with for a while now, I know that any number to the left is smaller than the numbers to the right. So I am looking for -4 and +2. If I look for -4 here and +2 here, I can tell that +2 is greater because it's farther to the right. So for this problem, 2 is greater than -4. Or this reads -4 is less than +2. Let's try another one. In this one, I'm going to compare two negative numbers. So again, on the number line, I'm going to find -3 and -5. I know that the number to the right is greater, so -3 is greater than -5. Okay, let's try one more. I'm going to compare 0 and -4. Again, I need to find them on the number line. Here's 0, here's -4. 0 is to the right, so 0 is greater than -4. I would like for you to try one. Actually, two. Pause the video and try these two problems in the notes section on your notes page. All right, we will get back to those in class. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to put the numbers in order, the integers in order from least to greatest. Again, I'm going to use a number line. And this time, I'm going to put these numbers in order from least to greatest. Let's move everything up here. All right, first thing I need to notice is that we're going least to greatest. It's very important to know what they're asking us to do. All right, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a dot on my number line for each one of these numbers. So I'm going to first plot +4, -2, and +1. Now, to put the numbers in order from least to greatest, I'm going left to right. So I just read the numbers on the number line. -2, 1, 4. They're now in order from least to greatest. Let's try another one. A new number line here. Again, we're going least to greatest. So first thing I need to do is plot my numbers on the number line. -2, 0, 2, and 5. Remember to put them in order. I'm just going to read them left to right because I'm going least to greatest. So I have -2, 0, 2, 5. In order, least to greatest. Let's try one from greatest to least. We're going to order the integers from greatest to least. All right, here's my new number line. We're going to go from greatest to least. That's important to remember, greatest to least. All right, first thing I'm going to do still is plot my points. Aw, shucks. My number line's not long enough. Let me find a different number line. I bet this one will work. Okay. Let's go 8, -6, -1, and 10. Forgot my numbers were larger there. Okay. Now we're going greatest to least. So I'm going to go right to left. So I'm going to start on this side. So my first number is 10, 8, -1, and -6. Greatest to least. It's very important to pay attention to what it's asking you to do. All right, I have a problem for you to try. Actually, 2 problems. Here's your number line. I would like you to put these in order from least to greatest. You may pause the video now. All right, we will take a look at that in class tomorrow. All right, let's look at our original problem here. And our original problem is asking us to figure out which golfer wins. I'm going to leave this problem for you to discuss with your team tomorrow. How would you go about solving this? Not just what is the answer, but how would we figure out who wins? Please don't forget to fill in every box on your notes page. If you don't have a question about the assignment, please make a question for your team to solve.